thoroughly reviewed the findings of the investigation and the supporting analysis by interagency partners, I am now convinced that as many as 10 civilians, including up to 7 children, were tragically killed in that strike.
The Americas today has announced that they are targeted a civilian person in here. We want to justice. For USA that should pay compensation for has, and they are targeted a civilian person in here, including children.
But it was a mistake, and I offer my sincere apology. As the combatant commander, I am fully responsible for this strike and its tragic outcome.
This is our house, and the second that have some person doing this action, I wanna for you say that they should punish it.